Hey, welcome back to Gherkin Beans Unboxing and Reviews. Today we have a Liaboe oral irrigator. I'm really excited about it because I want to have clean teeth, and there are a few areas that are difficult for me to clean in my teeth, so let's check it out. Right away you've got the main piece of equipment here, all encased in plastic. You've got your directions, and then you've got like a little carrying case for the extra accessories. So smart packaging, they didn't waste any space. They used the 600 milliliter container to hold all of the accessories that you'll need to use the device. Gives you a lot of accessories, which is cool because if multiple people are sharing it, then you're not going to be sharing the same equipment. And right away I see that there are different color coding things so that you can make sure that each different person is using just the standard nozzle. There are other accessories and there aren't multiple of those, but the standard nozzle that most people would use, the basic nozzle, there are multiple with color coding, so you can have Mom, Dad, and Hazel. So in addition to the 3 standard nozzles, you also get this tongue scraper, which I'm really excited about because I was actually going to purchase a tongue scraper. So now with this kit, that's not something additional that you need in your drawer. In addition to the tongue scraper and standard nozzles, we've got a toothbrush tip, a pocket tip, and an orthodontic tip. The orthodontic tip is like a little tiny brush to get into braces and things. This is what I'm excited about because I have pockets in my teeth, and this is going to help really get into the pockets and squirt out any germs and debris or whatever. It's difficult to get into it with a regular flosser, so that's why I'm excited about this device. Here we have the AC adapter. It's wrapped up in bubble wrap to keep it protected. Sage wants to talk about it, our little baby. Oh my goodness, this is fun, isn't it? Wow. Alright, and so it fits right into the bottom of this unit, and it even has like a little cord saver so you're not bending your cord, which Sean is very serious about. And I was about to fill it up without taking the canister out, but there's a sticker on each side which makes it easy to remove the canister and then put it under the faucet. Alright, let's get started, and I want to note that I haven't even checked the directions thus far. So let's see, this has like a little compression and you push it down and then you click it in place, and that's how you do it. Let's test it out in the water. Oh, maybe it would help if I turned it on. Boop. M, F, C. Oh, I pressed in to turn it on. C, massage, I would say, is that one. F, we'll have to see what those letters mean. Let's check it out. I use this valve to either make it lower or higher. I can change the intensity, click it up for maximum, or slow it down or turn it off before I press this button to turn it off. So I read the directions, and C is for clean mode, M is for massage, and F is for fresh breath mode. So let's get started. The directions did say to turn on, don't turn it on until it's in your mouth, but I thought it was all the way off, and yeah, fail. Okay, just in case, I'll put it in my mouth. It's in clean mode, and it says start out in the lowest setting, and then see how you do. I've already brushed my teeth today, but I have a few pieces of bread in there, so let's get them out. Whoa. Never used one of these.
This has got to be one of the hardest videos to review because the whole effect of the device working is happening inside of her closed mouth, or she's spraying the mirror with a ton of water. So bear with us. We're getting this review done. She's really loving the product so far. I'm excited to use it too. She's always complaining about bad breath, so I'm going to use that tongue scraper.
So I was able to try out the other accessories, the tongue scraper and the pocket tip, and I feel really fresh now. So if you would like to purchase one yourself, you can check out the link in the description below. We're so thankful that we were able to partner with Liaboe to bring you this review. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.